Hello viewers, in this session mock test 6 for the chapter molecular basis of inheritance. Question number 131. The genetic transformation experiments on Diplococcus pneumoniae gave first undoubted evidence that right option is 2, that is DNA is the genetic material. The genetic transformation experiments on Diplococcus pneumoniae gave first undoubted evidence that DNA is the genetic material. Question number 132. What happened when heat kill S cells along with live R cells were injected into mice? What happened when heat kill S cells along with live R cells were injected into mice? Right option is 1, that is mice died and showed live S cells. Question number 133. Transformation efficiency of bacteria would be drastically reduced if the transformation material is treated with transformation efficiency of bacteria. It is in the experiment of Avery et al. Would be drastically reduced if the transformation material is treated with right option is 4th one, that is deoxyribonuclease. Question number 134. The first ever experimental evidence showing DNA as genetic material in bacteriophages come from the studies of the first ever experimental evidence showing DNA as genetic material in bacteriophages came from the studies of right option is 3, that is Hershey and Chase. Question number 135. Hershey and Chase demonstrated that DNA and not protein is the genetic material with the help of the radioactive isotopes. Hershey and Chase demonstrated that DNA and not protein is the genetic material with the help of the radioactive isotopes. The isotopes are right option is 4th one, that is sulfur 35 and phosphorus 32. These two are radioactive isotopes, sulfur 35 and phosphorus 32. Question number 136. A radioactive isotope used to label DNA differentially from protein is a radioactive isotope used to label DNA differentially from protein is phosphorus 32. Right option is 1. Question number 137. Blender experiments conducted by Hershey and Chase demonstrated that DNA is genetic material in right option is 2, that is T2 bacteriophage. Question number 138. The streptococcus experiment proves that the streptococcus experiments proves that right option is 3, DNA is the genetic material. Question number 139. The first proof that DNA is the genetic material was provided through which experiments? The first proof that DNA is the genetic material was proved through which experiments? Right option is 1, that is bacterial transformation by Griffith in Streptococcus pneumoniae. Question number 140. The process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA is termed as the process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA to RNA is termed as. Right option is 1, that is transcription. DNA to mRNA, this is called transcription, and mRNA to protein, this is called translation. Question number 141. The transcription is right option is fourth one, that is 2 and 3. It means that in transcription only a segment of DNA is copied into RNA. Only one segment of DNA is copied into RNA. And also third also correct. Only one of the strand of DNA is copied into RNA. So both 2 and 3 are correct. Question number 142. RNA transcribed from the following segment of DNA is 3 prime A T G C A T G C A T C G C, 5 prime, last one. RNA transcribed from this following segment of DNA. So what is the RNA segment? Right option is fourth one. So this is the opposite to DNA strand. UACG US. So unfortunately mistake is there. S is replaced by G. Here also and here also not S. UACG UG CG UG CG. Right option is fourth one. Question number 143. In a transcription unit, the terminator is located towards. In a transcription unit, the terminator is located towards. Right option is 1. It means third prime end of coding strand. In a transcription unit, terminator is located at 3 prime end of coding strand. Question number 144. The DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase is. The DNA sequence that provides binding site for RNA polymerase is. Right option is 2, that is promoter. Binding site for RNA polymerase is promoter. Question number 145. This usually defines the end of the process of transcription. This usually defines the end of the process of transcription. End of the process of transcription. Right option is 3. That is a terminator. Where terminator is present, it defines the end of process of transcription. Question number 146. Additional sequences of transcription unit. Additional sequences of transcription unit. That is, right option is 1. Regulator. Additional sequences of transcription unit is regulator. Question number 147. The structural gene in a transcription unit could be said as cistronic. The structural gene in a transcription unit could be said as cistronic. Right option is 1. That is mostly in prokaryotes. Question number 148. Reverse transcription is depicted as right option is 2. Reverse transcription is from RNA to DNA, DNA to protein. That is called as reverse transcription. It is identified by Temin and Baltimore, so that it is called Teminism. DNA to mRNA, mRNA to protein. This is transcription. And some viruses like that, retroviruses, like HIV virus, transcription is from RNA to DNA and DNA to protein. So that in retroviruses, reverse transcription. Question number 149. This is the process by which the biological information contained in the base sequence of DNA is made available to the cell. This is the process by which the biological information contained in the base sequence of DNA is made available to the cell. Right option is 3. That is gene expression. Gene expression is the process by which the biological information contained in the base sequence of DNA is made available to the cell. Question number 150. During transcription, the synthesizing mRNA grows in. During transcription, the synthesizing mRNA grows in. Right option is 3. It grows in direction on non-coding strand. Non-coding strand. Question number 151. The strand DNA which is complementary to the template strand is. The strand DNA which is complementary to the template strand is. Right options is 4th one. That is both 1 and 2 are correct. Complementary to the template strand is antisense strand. It is also called as non-coding strand. So right option is fourth one. Question number 152. The synthesis of a polypeptide chain or a protein from mRNA is called. Right option is fourth one, that is translation. The synthesis of polypeptide chain or a protein from mRNA is called translation. DNA to mRNA. Synthesis of mRNA from DNA is called transcription. Transformation and transduction, these are type of sexual reproductions in bacteria. Question number 153. This RNA provides the template for protein synthesis. This RNA provides the template for protein synthesis. Right option is 1, that is mRNA. Synthesis of proteins from mRNA is called translation. Question number 154. This RNA carries the genetic code. This RNA carries the genetic code. The right option is 1, that is messenger RNA, mRNA. Question number 155. This RNA brings the amino acids and reads the genetic. This RNA brings the amino acids and reads the genetic code. That is, right option is 2, that is tRNA, transfer RNA, brings amino acid to the sites of protein synthesis. Question number 156. This RNA plays structural and catalytic role during translation. This RNA plays structural and catalytic role during translation. Right option is 3, that is rRNA, ribosomal RNA. Question number 157. Transcription of RNA is initiated when DNA dependent RNA polymerase binds to. Transcription of RNA is initiated when DNA dependent RNA polymerase binds to. Right option is 3, that is promoter. Question number 158. RNA polymerase is capable of catalyzing the process of. RNA polymerase is capable of catalyzing the process of. Right option is 1, that is elongation. Question number 159. Initiation of transcription is by. Initiation of transcription is by. Right option is fourth one, that is RNA polymerase when associated with the factor. RNA polymerase when associated with factor. This is initiation of transcription. Question number 160. Termination of transcription is by. Termination of transcription is by. Right option is 3, that is RNA polymerase when associated with a factor. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment, like and subscribe to my channel.